This property goes for 350 million and it has a title of governor's consent. What a lovely property. These are the features you find in this property: oven, microwave, CCTV, television, video bell, clean water, secured estate, good compound space, full fitted kitchen, Serenity, water heaters, Bluetooth speakers, central alarm, fridge, fingerprint sensor, laundry room.
If you think you've seen it all when it comes to beauty, then you've not seen this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with swimming pool and theater. Come with me, let's see.
Okay, here is a visitor's toilet at the entrance. Wow, what an amazing interior! Wonderful finishing, amazing fittings. You can see the materials, the art of this world. Okay, come, see. Can you see that? Can you see that? What do you think about that? Okay, let's go. Wow, what a spacious kitchen. So spacious. I love this. You and your wife go like to cook for this kind of spacious kitchen now. How you see am? See all the kitchen equipments on point. Okay, let's walk through the corridor. Climbing the staircase, you can see all the materials used for this apartment is great, is lovely. Wow, just see the staircase. Look at the glasses by the side. Look at the finishing. Look at the doors. Can you see the kind of material, the chandeliers? I don't think you want to miss this. I don't think. This is so amazing. I love this. I love this. I love this. Check this out now. Come on. According to a law of Lagos, I will never be poor. Look at the rooms. Everything on point. Guys, think about this house. This is luxury at its peak. Oh my goodness. I love this. You sure I know come collect this house? Pay small money. Wow. See the bedroom. This property is located in the heart of Lagos, Osapa, London, Lekki, Lagos. One thing that interests me most about this house is the fittings. See it. See the environment now. Look at the very serene environment. Look at the swimming pool down there. What a fantastic property. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.